Hi and welcome to the Tiler's Tools video channel. In this episode we're going to show you the first accessories that come with the new Golz saw, and that is the two clamps for holding the tiles onto the workstation. So in the bundle you get two of these clamps. They're very important when you're cutting smaller pieces of tiles that you don't want to get your hands too near the cutting blade. So they're fully adjustable, they clamp in this way, and you can set them for any depth of tile. So you adjust the height of the stem with the rubber stopper on here to obviously the different thickness of tile you have. With the fully clamp open, insert it into the receiver slots, put it to the end of the slot, close, and that clamps your tile in position. So to sum up, the clamp is a very useful accessory that holds your tiles in position whilst doing the cut when you have smaller pieces of tiles.